Free software and open source software licenses. For software to be free/libre, and/or open source, it must be released under the terms of a license that complies to the definition of free software, and/or open source software. Given that, the open source software definition originates from guidelines that try to exemplify the free software definition, and that the differences of the two movements are political and not practical, almost all free software licenses are also open source licenses, and vice versa. Free software licenses are categorized into copyleft, or non-permissive, and permissive, or non-copyleft. Copyleft is a general method for making a program, or other work, free, in the sense of freedom, and requiring all modified and extended versions of the program to be free as well. In essence, copyleft and non-permissive licenses do not allow a free program, or part of it, to become, or to be used in, a non-free program. Example copyleft, non-permissive licenses are the General Public License, GPL, the Library General Public License, LGPL, the Affero General Public License, AGPL, and the Mozilla Public License. A permissive software license is a free software license that allows the use of the software in non-free and proprietary works. It is usually with only minimal restrictions on how the software can be used, modified, and redistributed, possibly including a warranty disclaimer. Example permissive, non-copyleft licenses are the MIT license, the BSD licenses, the Apache license, and the GNU All-Permissive license. Simple users, i.e., only wanting to use the software, are not affected by the choice of the free software license, as all such licenses allow the use of the software. The licenses are relevant to programmers wishing to modify and/or combine the software in their own works, and to distributors wishing to distribute the software, possibly together with other software. Distributions, like Debian, go a long way to ensure that they comply with all the licenses governing the software they distribute. As different free software projects chose, or developed, different licenses for the software they produced, there was a proliferation of free software licenses. The main problems were: not all licenses were well thought of, leading to problems satisfying the terms of such a license. The terms between different licenses contradicted each other, and the relevant free software could not be combined with other free works. Think, for example, of two different software products, released respectively under two different licenses, both insisting that modified or combined software should be released under the same license. These two software products cannot be combined, as each license insists the combined product to be released under its own terms. Acknowledging these problems, an effort was made to develop licenses that are compatible with each other, but this is something that is not always possible. In addition, it is suggested that developers choose a well-known and used free software license for their software, and do not develop yet another free software license.